That's strange. It says sea monkey. I better leave it here. Private property. Worshipping is permitted, but please do not enter the monkey head. G.P. LeChuck. Shish kebab. Shishka Joe. Eep. The artist carved his name on it. Made by Red Skull.
That monkey head sound piece of work, eh? Nasty case of yellow waxy buildup, though. Ugh.
What?
Don't be a jerk.
It doesn't seem to open. Why, that's the second biggest monkey head I've ever seen. There's a message in it. It's a memo. It's printed on letterhead. To Herman Toothrot. From Yammer, Hem, and Haw, attorneys at law. Regarding suit against cannibal tribe over malicious tossing of your oars into a chasm. I think we have a case here. We can probably soak them for emotional distress and possibly punitive damages as well. Sounds like legalese. I don't think I can translate the rest.
Look at that fabulous ship out there. Did you come in that? You're braver than you look. Actually, it looks a lot like a ship I used to own.
I got taken by a guy named Stan.
Stan of Stan's Jewish ships on Malay Island?
Are you some kind of a castaway?
What do I look like? The caretaker? Listen to this guy. Am I some kind of castaway?
I thought this island was uninhabited.
Well, you thought wrong. My name's Toothrot. Herman Toothrot. I live here. Well, not right here. In the fort on the volcano.
Were you stranded?
You think I stay here for my health? Oh, boy!
Boy, it sure is hot here. To the Monkey Island cannibals. Please stop moving this. It is delicately balanced. Herman Toothrot. It's either an incisive representation of the futility of man, or it's a log and a couple of rocks. It won't go further. 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 Boy, it sure is hot here. The trail ends here. Warning! Objects in spyglass may be farther away than they appear. I can't pick that up. It's rusty. I don't think it'll work. It doesn't seem to open.
Hey, nice spyglass. Looks just like... Say, where is my spyglass? Oh, perfect. I'm gone 5 minutes and somebody comes in here and dumps gunpowder all over the floor. Naturally, I don't think you had anything to do with it. I'm sure it's just a coincidence that you came in here to prowl around right after some mysterious person dirtied up my nice clean floor.
I saw a monkey leaving here. He must have done it.
You don't fool me, Sonny.
I'm Guy